Hello everybody. Hope you guys are doing great on this Wednesday. Today I'm bringing you to Station 2. Now Station 2, a lot of the components on the vehicle happen at Station 2 on the outside. So as you can see, I'm a little bit up in the air here, and I'm showing you the roof. So this is where the solar panels get installed. You can see the fantastic fan has been installed, and you'll see the air conditioner and the antenna. And as you can notice, the air conditioner has been color matched. So they actually come in white, and then we remove that top piece, color match it to the vehicle chassis, and just kind of give it that clean classic look that I've talked about before. We do the same with the awning, which you can see is also now installed. Again, that comes in white. We get that painted to color match the vehicle, so it just doesn't stand out as much. It's a preference thing for some owners, but we do find that it just gives the vehicle a nice clean look. The other thing that happens at this station that is not on right now is the patio lights. So they get installed on this side of the vehicle. Those are not in right now. So Station 2, a lot's happening on the outside, a lot of work going on the roof and the patio and awning. I'm gonna have a Station 3 for you tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thanks, bye.